What is up, guys? Back with another video, and sorry, I know lighting's a bit weird today. I don't know, just deal with it. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I edit and record my videos. Now before we get started, I'm waiting for you to get your pen and notebook out, so I'm gonna wait. Alright, you got it? You sure? Alright, so the first things first I'm going to be showing you is how I record my videos. Alright, so first things first that I use is I use this tripod thing. I'll show you a picture right here because I'm actually using it right now. I use this for pretty much all my videos. It's a lot easier than, getting things and propping things up, trying to, make it look straight and it's looking lopsided, It's a lot easier. Oh, also, by the way, I will be linking the stuff that I use in the description below for some of the things that you can buy on Amazon. So I'll leave the link to that below. But yeah, this is a lot easier to use. This is it's very helpful. It even comes with the next thing I'm about to show you right now. So the thing that comes with it is what I also use is this as you can see right here, this little remote. It comes with it actually. You can turn it on. Oh, sorry. You can turn it on and it'll show a Bluetooth thing, and your Bluetooth will connect, and then press it to record and to stop. So just with a simple press of the button, you can record the video, you can stop the video instead of, reaching and pressing it, and all that. Even because of Android, as you can see right there. But yeah, this is very helpful. Like I said before, I'll leave the link down below. Yeah, that's really all that oh wait, there's one more. Alright, so when it's nighttime and it's all dark and stuff, which is about to be right now, so I should have used it now. But I use this this lamp right here, and I just take this light bulb out, and then I take this off. I take this thing off right here, then I screw it in like this, and then I turn it on, and it provides a good source of light. You know what? Actually, that looks kind of good right there, so I'm gonna leave that there. But yeah, it's not the best light. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, if you can afford a studio light to put in your room, go ahead. I mean, by all means, go ahead and buy it. It will have a lot better lighting than this light that I use here. But if all you have is a little light, then use that. That's the best you can do. It's okay. We all start from somewhere. We'll all eventually make it to the top. So now I'm gonna be showing you guys the apps that I use to edit my videos. So the first app I use to edit my videos is Velo. Now, this app is very helpful. It's very simple. It's very easy. It has a lot of things that you can do with your videos. So like you can add transitions. So like I can transition to the next slide like right now. Or you can put filters like this one or this one or this one. Or you can add text like right here, right here, right here, right here. Anywhere. You can add text anywhere you want. And also you can split the clips so that way if you have any moments where you're like, I don't want this in, you can just completely cut it out and completely get rid of it. Now that goes for a lot of editing apps on the phone, but this one is better and it works better, and it has a lot more you can do with it on here than any other app. So the next app that I use is iMovie. Now I actually use this one to edit my videos, but I started using Velo. I still use iMovie, but I only use iMovie for like sound effects, like for memes. Like if there's a meme, like I'll use this app called I forgot the app actually, but I'll use that app. I'll download the sound. I'll just insert it into iMovie because iMovie has a thing where you can insert like any audio that you want. So yeah, I'll use iMovie for that. Also, I use iMovie for editing my gaming videos as well because it's a lot easier to do it on there. And yeah, like Velo, I don't know if you really do gaming videos on there, but I know iMovie you can. It's a lot harder. It's a lot harder to do gaming videos on the phone, of course. But yeah, I just use iMovie for my gaming videos and like audio and stuff. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you the apps that I use to make my thumbnails. Okay guys, so the first app that I use to make my thumbnails is PicsArt. PicsArt has a lot of features and stuff that you can use to make good thumbnails. Like say for instance, you can like cut yourself out and like position yourself in another video. I actually have a tutorial that I use PicsArt, cloning yourself. Actually go check that out. I'll leave that up here right there. And yeah, it's very simple and it's very easy to use. You can add text on there as well. You can add you can do like a little outline of yourself. So like if I want to take a picture, I can outline myself, put like a red, black, yellow, you know, any type of outline on there. But yeah, by the way, there's gonna be some features on there that you have to pay for.
Broke nigga alert. Broke nigga alert.
Is it talking about me?
Broke nigga
I
alert.
think so, my nigga.
Which even I don't even pay for it, you know, even a lot of the features on there. I don't even really have to pay for it because they already have a lot of things for free on there that I want and that I need. So yeah, it's very simple and easy. Now the next app that I use to make my thumbnails is Darkroom. Now, I don't necessarily use this one to make my thumbnails, but I'll use this to edit myself. Like if I want to change the filter, like if I look too ashy, or if I, hold up. Okay, sorry, the lighting looks a lot different now, a lot better. Now, I don't necessarily use this one to edit the thumbnail, like to make the thumbnail, but I'll use this to like change the filter and stuff. Like if I look too ashy in the picture, and I'll change the saturation and, you know, all that to make myself, you know, look right, because you don't want your thumbnail looking ashy, right? You want your thumbnail looking pretty decent. So yeah, it's a good app to use to, you know, change to like filter yourself and make yourself look better. Even though, you know, I already look, you know what I'm saying, I already look good without the filter, you know what I'm saying?
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Now the last app that I use is not, I don't usually use this one to make thumbnails. Like I did before, but I don't use it as much now because I use PixArt. But this PicMonkey, now this is also a familiar app that everyone's familiar with, and I use this one actually to make my intro in the beginning of the video that you saw, not necessarily for a thumbnail actually, but for an intro. So yeah, I also use this app to make my YouTube logo actually as well. So it's very useful to make simple, clean cut, you know, not thumbnails, but like, you know, profile pictures and all that. If you just want a nice, simple, you know, intro or, you know, profile picture. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a like, be sure to comment and subscribe. Hit that bell to keep up with my uploads, and I will see you guys in the next video.